You will get the best sleep of your life tonight if you sleep like this Chinese master. This is Master Mu Yu Chun, and according to him, we've been sleeping wrong our whole life. Most of us sleep on our side or on our back, and for those who sleep on your stomach, you already know that's not good, so flip around please. But for the rest of us, according to Mu Yu Chun, we're still doing it wrong. When we sleep on our side, we tend to use one pillow. But according to the Chinese master, this is not the most comfortable position. Instead of extending our arms straight out, we should place a pillow beneath our wrist to elevate it to increase blood flow and reduce tension. Now, if we close our chest with our opposite arm with nothing in between, it compresses our chest, our lungs, restricts flow. He recommends hugging a pillow. I'm sure a lot of you do this already. And finally, the master recommends that you place a pillow between your thighs. He explains that putting pressure on our groin can be uncomfortable and could cause some issues in the long run. Now, I must admit, this is a comfortable position. Now, if you're a back sleeper, most of us sleep with a pillow underneath our head, and that typically compresses our neck. And according to Mu Yu Chan, can also cause snoring. So he recommends placing a pillow underneath your legs. This could relieve pressure in your lower back and improve circulation in your lower body. But how about that neck? It's a simple matter of readjusting your pillow. Rather than laying down so that it presses on the top of your head, making your chin come down to your chest, readjust it so that it supports your neck, putting less pressure on your spine and opening up those airways. There's also special pillows designed for that, but it's a matter of being mindful first and foremost. So that's Master Mu Yu Chun's technique. Let me know if you tried it and how you like it. It makes a lot of sense to me, but I want to know your opinion. Let me know in the morning.